This video will cover inserting an object into a digitized design. Sometimes after digitizing a design, you might realize that you need to insert an object into the already digitized design. You can use the traveling feature of the software to insert a digitized object exactly at the point you want it to be, even if it's just a travel stitch. If I choose to add this travel stitch after creating the design, that object, of course, is going to be at the end of the design. So by inserting the object where I want it to be as I travel through the design, it will be placed exactly where it needs to be. I'm going to show you a very simple example, but this feature also works for more complicated designs. The objects shown on the screen were digitized in order from left to right. After digitizing them, I realized that by combining the colors, I can create a more efficient stitch out. I'll do this by selecting Control-A and click on Sequence by Color, and then click OK. And now you can see the two blue objects are combined. By inserting a travel stitch in between these two blue objects, I can improve the efficiency of this design because it will eliminate the tie-ins and tie-offs, which are going to take time to do on the machine. First, I will need to switch to Design View. Then I'll press Escape and then Home on my keyboard, and the objects all turn black. By selecting Control-T, the white plus sign indicates where my needle has stopped. I can then select the Open Object tool, a single outline, and digitize from this white plus sign across to the point of entry on the other object, and then press Enter. And this will insert a travel stitch exactly where I want it to be. I can then press Function End, and the design will travel to the end of the design. When I click on Slow Redraw and watch the design stitch out, a travel stitch is inserted between the two blue objects and will create a more efficient design.